Hello my YouTube friends, welcome back to my channel. Guys, are you tired of getting a suntan in the summer due to severe heat and strong sun exposure, because of which your face is looking dull, dark and your skin is looking damaged? Or if you are planning to attend a wedding or have a special occasion like a birthday or anniversary coming up and you want to make your face look instantly bright, glowing and youthful? So this video is going to be extremely helpful for you because in today's video, I'm about to share a remedy that will help in making your skin instantly bright, fair and glowing. But before we begin with the video, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, press the bell notification on the side of that red button so you can get all notifications of my future videos, and do give this video a thumbs up. So without further ado, let's begin with the video. So the first thing we will need is cucumber. Cucumber is packed with vitamin C. It helps revitalize the skin, reverses suntan, controls and reduces puffiness of the eyes, helps soothe sunburn, treats open pores, fights cellulite, reduces dark circles, treats blemishes, reduces wrinkles around the eyes, helps reduce under eye bags. So we're just gonna peel and cut a cucumber in small pieces. Next thing we need is potato. Potatoes help treat acne and other skin conditions like suntan, dark spots and blemishes. It also works very well for skin whitening, and potato helps in reducing under-eye dark circles as well. So potatoes are super effective in lightening the skin and dark spots. So we're just gonna peel the potato and cut it into small pieces. Next thing we need is tomatoes. Tomatoes are packed with vitamin C and help cure large pores, treat acne, soothe sunburn, and revive dull skin. Antioxidants in tomato, especially lycopene, fight cellular damage and skin inflammation. Tomatoes also work extremely well as an astringent and improve facial texture. They remove excess oil from your face and keep your skin fresh for longer. Tomatoes are also extremely effective in reducing suntan. So we're just going to take a tomato and chop it up into small pieces. The next thing we need is lemon. Lemon, as we all know, is packed with vitamin C and is super effective in lightening and brightening of our skin and making our skin glow. Lemon is also super effective in removing suntan. So the next thing I'm doing is just putting all the ingredients in a mixie jar, and I'm going to squeeze the lemon juice over top, and I'm going to make a really fine paste out of this. Be sure to make it into a very fine smooth paste, and after this we will just pour the mixture into an ice cube tray, just like. Be sure to not make very big ice cubes, otherwise you won't be able to use up the whole ice cube every single time and it will simply go to waste. So make small ice cubes and put it in the freezer overnight to freeze, and this is what it looks like on the next day after it's all frozen up. So we're just gonna get these ice cubes out. So the ice cubes are out and ready to go. I'm just putting them in a Ziploc bag so I can store them in the freezer, and I'm leaving one out so I can use it today. And here I am just applying the ice cube on a clean washed face, and it feels like heaven right now because this ice cube is so nice and cool. I'm especially concentrating on the areas over my nose and my cheeks and then the under eyes because that's where the big pores are. So it's going to help me close the pores. It will help me with the puffiness under the eyes and the dark circles. So once the ice cube is all gone, I'm going to leave it on for 10 minutes on my face and then wash it off with normal water and come back and show you the results. So guys, I've washed my face and I'm back, and my skin is looking really shiny, soft and glowy. I can see the instant results with this remedy, and you can do this every day because it's all natural. So you can definitely do this remedy once a day, every day. If you have really bad suntan going on, or if you really need to improve your skin condition fast, then you can do it every day. There's no problem with it. So after this, I'm going to take my Saffrose toner from My Glam USA, which is my brand. You can find it on my website, www.myglamusa.com. I'm just going to take some toner and pat it on my skin and wait for 2 or 3 minutes and let it dry on my skin. So once the toner is dry, I'm taking some vitamin C serum called Glow Secret from My Glam USA, and I'm just going to apply it all over my face, and I'm all done, all set to go. So guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video. Do try this remedy and let me know in the comments below how you liked it, how did it work out for you. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel, thumbs up this video, and until next time, I'll see you all again. Bye-bye.